The transmission drives your lawnmower's wheels. A drive belt links the transmission to the engine. When the drive control is engaged, the belt tightens and the transmission begins to turn. Gears inside the transmission provide the torque needed to propel the mower. Over time, the gears of the transmission will wear and can eventually fail. When this happens, the transmission pulley will spin, but the drive shaft won't. The shaft ends can become worn where the retaining ring attaches, causing the ring to come loose, allowing the pinion gear to fall off. Replacing the transmission is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the belt cover from the mower. Next, I'll remove the belt guard from the transmission. It's secured with 2 screws. And I'll pull the belt away from the pulley. Next, I'll remove the front wheels from the mower. Remove the nut so I can take off the wheel. There's a large washer behind the wheel I'll remove. Now I'll remove the retainer that secures the pinion gear. I'll remove the pinion gear, the drive pawl, the dust shroud, and now I do the same thing on the other side. I've tipped the mower back so I have access to the underside of the deck. Next, I'll remove both wheel adjuster brackets. Now I'll remove the transmission tension spring from the frame. And I'll remove the cable. Now I'll begin installing the new transmission. I need to transfer the pulley as well as the tension spring over to the new transmission. I'll start with the pulley. I'll use a pair of pliers to hold the shaft just beneath the pulley so it won't rotate as I remove the pulley. And I'll install it on the new transmission. I'll transfer the spring over, making sure I keep it oriented the same way. Now I'll reconnect the cable to the transmission. And reinstall the tension spring. Now reinstall the adjuster assemblies. Now I can begin reinstalling the first wheel assembly. First the dust cover, and slide it into place. Now I'll reinstall the drive pawl. One end of the drive pawl has a shoulder to hold it in place. I'll insert the pawl into the opening in the shaft, and the shoulder sits against the shaft. Now I'll reinstall the pinion gear. I align the slot in the back of the pinion gear with the drive pawl. You never want to grease the drive gears, because the grease will attract dirt, which will quickly wear away the pinion gear, and especially the plastic gear on the back of the wheel. Now resecure this assembly with the retainer. Next, the large washer, the wheel, and I'll secure the wheel with the nut. And again, I'll do the same thing for the other wheel. Now wrap the belt back around the pulley and reinstall the belt guard. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the belt cover. And that's how you can install a new transmission in your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.